What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the TaoTronics SoundLiberty 53 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds I picked up on Amazon Prime for $39.95. Out of 3,085 customer reviews, these earbuds get 4.5 out of 5 stars. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. Let's go ahead and go over some of the specifications. 40-hour playtime, which is to me pretty tremendous. Currently the Apple AirPods Pro, which are pretty much Apple's flagship earbud, have a playtime of around 23 hours. So this is significantly greater than the AirPods Pro, and they cost significantly less. So if you're in the market for basically an expendable wireless earbud, this is something that you should look at. They are IPX7 waterproof, they have smart touch control, and they have single and twin mode with built-in mic. So that means you can have one earbud in the charging case and another earbud in your ear at the same time and be able to use them simultaneously. So we've got our TaoTronics SoundLiberty 53 here. No tape around the box or anything like that. We'll just slide that off like so. And let's see here what we have to do to get into this box. And it looks like all we have to do is just pull out on that tab there. As you can see, I ripped it a little bit, but that's okay. And if we just take this tab and pull the earbuds out, we can see that we've got the TaoTronics earbuds right on top there. We'll go ahead and put that off to the side momentarily. What's really nice is in the box is you get a USB to micro USB charging cable. Also in this package are added ear tips. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but they're actually in there. So it looks like you get a small, a medium, and a large extra ear tip, which is really nice. And last but not least, in the box at the very bottom, we get some user manuals. What's nice here is a little thank you card. It says thank you for choosing TaoTronics. If you guys can see that there, this is a barcode so that you can maybe activate them. Let's see, yeah, activate your privileged service, register your product. What's really nice is on the inside of this card is all of the support information that you could possibly ever need and your warranty information, so you will want to keep that. Yeah, here's just a really nice user guide that comes in the box. We'll look at that later. And a pretty in-depth user manual, probably in different languages. So we've got the headphones here. Kind of looks like a set of car keys if you'd ask me. I don't have my car keys on me right now, but it looks like a car key to me. So very pocketable. It's a very smooth plastic, like the AirPods Pro, so it should slide in and out of your pocket fine and conveniently. What's really nice is you get the earbuds themselves. Charging case is a little bit on the plasticky side, a little bit cheap feeling, and just like so, we'll go ahead and we'll let them charge for a few minutes so that we can listen to them. But as we let them charge here, I just want to show you that there are blue LED indicator lights on the earbuds themselves to let you know that they are charging, that they are securely in the charge case. Yeah, I'll be back in just a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pair these up to my smartphone, listen to them for a few minutes, and then come back with my sound impressions. So far, everything feels a little bit cheap, a little bit plasticky, not really over the top about this charge case. It's a little bit chintzy feeling, but nevertheless, let's go ahead and do sound impressions and see what they're like. So I've got them connected. When you do connect them, they say connected. The setup process is extremely simple. All you do is take the earbuds out of their charge case, put them in your ear, go to your settings, Bluetooth, and they should appear and you should be able to connect them. Okay, I'll be back in just a second. Okay, everybody, so the verdict is in. Super impressive. These TaoTronics SoundLiberty 53 are crazy good. The bass is very full, it's very rich. It might be a little bit too big and too full, it might overpower the rest of the music a little bit, just a tiny bit, but it's really clear and it's really pronounced, and that's something that I prefer. One minor drawback that I recognize with these earbuds is that when I actually went through the EQ settings on my iPhone to adjust the EQ of the headphones, the bass was still pronounced across multiple EQ settings. So that does verify that the bass is just a little bit too pronounced on these. Nonetheless, the vocals are very clear. All the instruments are very clear, both at the low volume and at the highest volume. Very, very impressive pair of earbuds. Crazy good sound quality. I actually raved about the Skull Candy Sesh, which I picked up at Best Buy a few months ago. They were a big box good. I raved about them because of their sound quality. I would rave about these too, but these are actually a different style than the Skull Candy Sesh. The Skull Candy Sesh looked more like the Samsung Galaxy Buds. These look more like the AirPods. Another thing that I wanted to mention was, even though at the very beginning I said they feel a little bit cheap and a little bit plasticky, they do not feel that way in the ear. They're actually very lightweight, and because they come with the added ear tips, you shouldn't have a problem finding a comfortable fit for your own ears. Also, what I recognized is that the noise isolation benefits you get with the added ear tips and with the ear tips that came out of the box, they just so happen to fit my ear really well. The noise isolation is just absolutely off the charts. And in fact, I am almost wishing that my AirPods Pro noise isolation was as good as these. The AirPods Pro do have noise cancellation and it works superbly well, but I just wish that sometimes they fit in my ear a little bit better. Maybe that is my own fault. I should probably adjust my ear tips, but straight out of the box, these TaoTronics SoundLiberty 53 are absolutely phenomenal. These are a must-buy, good, whatever you want to call it. I think they sound fantastic. What's really impressive is you do get that 40-hour playtime, so 5 hours of listening time with the earbuds themselves is pretty much an industry best, and 40 hours total play time between the charging case and the earbuds is probably also an industry best, minus the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Anyways, guys, these TaoTronics SoundLiberty 53 are a convenience good because I picked them up using Amazon Prime for $39.95. Also, be sure to use that $5 coupon code when you check out these SoundLiberty 53. Guys, these are an absolutely fantastic pair of earbuds. I will be keeping these over the earbuds that I reviewed yesterday. These just sound better. They feel better in my ear, and overall, I think they look better. So anyways, guys, my name is John. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing and first impressions. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.